Hey y'all, how you doing? So it's been a minute. I decided I was going to go on Marketplace, and one of my friends sent me this place. It's Natty's Kitchen. She does Caribbean food. So I got me a salad. One of them came with Italian, which is what I use, and one comes with ranch. She gave you a napkin with utensils. I got the brown stewed chicken. I don't know how. The last time I tried to do a video, it just didn't quite work. It's been a long time. So I'm going to just show a picture. Because last time I was trying to pop things in, and then once I edited it, it wouldn't upload. And then I've got this too. I'm not quite sure what it is. It looks like a soup because it's really soupy. It's got carrots and maybe lentils. I don't know what lentils are, but little round things, so I think those are lentils. It's a little soup. And it's got great flavor. I don't know what it is, but hopefully it's healthy-ish. Because you know I've been on my health kick. But the flavor on that is amazing. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know exactly what it is, but it tastes good. Okay, so let me get into a plantain. It's got the rice stuck to it. I like those. Sometimes you get the ones that's a full banana, which I can eat too. It's a little softer, but I do like the crunch. Do a little fry on that. It's been so long. YouTube said they were gonna demonetize us. I said it wouldn't hurt my feelings. We didn't make much money from y'all anyway. We did it for y'all. That's the potato. After simple yellow rice, peas and carrots are on the side. A lot of people mix them in. For me, that's the only way I eat peas. If it's mixed into a rice. Move that plantain over. No, I can't eat this whole plate. No way. That'd be my calories for the whole entire day. Let's get into this chicken. And you know I'm gonna have to stick my rice in that juice too. Did you see that bone just fall straight out of the rest of it? Have y'all been? What have y'all been up to? I've been doing my own meal prep at home, working on that health journey. Okay. That's because that stewed. Move some of this peas and carrots and rice into this juice. That's gonna bring all the flavor. I feel like I got food on me. I'm gonna advertise her on Facebook because that's where she sells off of. You just DM her, let her know. She normally cooks on the weekends, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. But if there's something special you want, hit her up earlier. And you can ask her, that way it gives her time to get the ingredients to make what you would like. I just went off the pictures. I was like, that brown stewed chicken looked like something my family would mess up. Because you know we like some chicken. Now, this plate itself was $15, and for me, that's more than fine because I can make 3 meals of this. Yep, I've got 3 pieces of chicken, a bunch of rice, the salad, plus the little soup thing. Oop. I just dropped that on myself. It took me a second to, I had to get all the supplies out the truck and figure out how to set up in here, so it might be a little bit which now I can't do it in the house because Wi-Fi ain't changed. She still would be barking through the whole video, wanting to be fed. But I ran into the owner of, well, this guy that owns nothing but Yorkies, and he says if you want them to live longer, don't feed them human food. Human food messes with them. And I've heard different things, so we have, you know, cut back. But when I'm prepping and stuff, if I'm cutting a cucumber or peppers or something, he always, so I give him a piece. But I figure it's fresh, not cooked, you know. Okay, I gotta tell myself, no more. You ain't hungry. You are more than satisfied. So stop eating. That's what I've been doing. Trying to watch what I eat. Calories. Quantities. But sometimes you just run into something and you can't stop eating. That's why you portion out what you want on your plate. That way you ain't got to worry about overeating. Because if it ain't in front of you, like this is in front of me. Yeah, so there's quite a bit still left. Trying to figure out where I should put my bones. But it was quite delicious. I might have to try some other things. I know one of my kids like curry, so I might have to pick them up a plate of the curry chicken. I'm not normally a big curry person, but it might not be too bad being that it's home cooked. Home cooked is always Ooh, excuse me, better. Better I get off of that and get back to these. I feel like this would be healthier with the lentils and the carrots. But with that broth, it has to be some sort of meat base. But I can't tell you what it is. It's flavor. As you can see, I done drunk it down. Let me stop. Thank you for checking out this video if you have. I know it's been a very long time since we've uploaded anything. We just haven't been going out very much. We've been watching what we eat, and if we're, I mean, stuff out there is expensive. Like I said, if they demonetize us, we weren't really making no money off of it anyways. We were doing it for you, so you know what to go out and try. So if you're local to this area, give her a try. Look, I am still snacking. I can't. That's not how you eat salad, is it? That's a good dressing. I wonder if she makes that. Okay, sorry. Until the next video. Oh, see you on the flip side.